Good. I mean, here is afternoon, so good afternoon. In today's vlog, I'll be making salad. Okay, so I've been craving salad for my kitchen has started to see. I've been craving salad for I don't know, like 2 weeks now, and I've just been lazy. Okay, but today I'm going to make it. So I'm making chicken salad. So I'll be using grilled chicken from the fridge, if I may say that. Okay, and then I'll enjoy it with some dressing. I'll do some homemade salad dressing, be like that, and I'll add it. And then I'll also film a tortilla wrap video. Wait up. Okay, I'll be filming a tortilla wrap video. So I'll be making the tortillas from scratch. This is a very easy recipe. I used Meta AI to get this recipe, and I tried it and it worked. So I'm going to film it today and then get the tortilla wraps done. And yeah, I mean, I think that would be it. But I'll show you the salad in this video, and then I'll do the tortilla and the wrap. Does that make sense? Yes. Sorry for the disconnect, and I'll do that in another recipe video, because obviously I don't like long videos. So yeah, so if this is your first time here, my name is Yasmi. This is my kitchen, Taste and Bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to watch me. So let's get started on the salad. Okay. Yes. Yes. So I know from the beginning I said I wanted to shoot a chicken salad video and then make tortilla wraps and put the two of them in separate videos, because I didn't like long videos, or I don't like long videos. Okay, but here is the thing: I wanted to make the salad dressing not the normal ketchup and what's it called? The other one is called what? Salad cream or mayonnaise. Okay, so I didn't want it to be that one. I wanted to use honey, lime or lemon juice, and then some pepper, whisk all of it together. Is that all? Yeah, and yeah, for something different. But unfortunately, my honey is finished. I just realized that the bottle is empty. And there's this woman who I buy from in the area now, but she has also run out of stock. So I bought mission with that salad dressing, but I'll go ahead and do my what's it called, my wraps. So I'm going to do the tortillas from scratch and then use the salad to join. Does that make sense? That's the filling for the wraps, or some people want to call it shawarma, but I'm not going to be adding cheese or anything of that sort. Did you add shawarma to cheese, or they just remove it? Please, yeah. So let's just do the wraps the tortillas, right? And then use it for shawarma. And if there's leftover, when I go to town on Monday, I'll just buy some honey and come and use that to drizzle. So if I find honey, certainly that salad dressing will be in this video as well. But if not, enjoy the rest of the video, okay? Thank you. So it's currently almost 5 p.m. I started filming this video around 12:40ish p.m. But I just finished, okay? And I had to fry plantain and a yam for us. Now it's not even supper, because at this point they'll eat again. When I say they, I mean the children, they'll eat again, okay? But anyway, I'm about to enjoy my chicken wrap. My voice is sounding funny, I don't know why. But I'm about to enjoy my chicken wrap here. And I'll be adding some chilled coke. I just have to go and bring it. My camera is not doing justice, but I showed you before now. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog style cooking as well. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel about these vlog style cooking videos. Do you want me to continue, or if there are any tips for improvement, please don't hesitate to write them in the comment section for me. Also, give me a thumbs up on this video. It's a like, the button like this, put it, press it for me, okay? And then share when you're done watching, okay? I'm happy you tuned in. If you don't know me, my name is Yasmin, and until I see you again in another video, please keep blooming.